In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion page for your goals. The first thing you'll want to do is create a dedicated page in Notion specifically for goal planning. Keeping everything in one place makes it much easier to stay organized and focused. You can give the page a clear title that reflects the time frame you're working with, whether that's your yearly goals, quarterly goals, or monthly goals. The idea is to build a simple space you can return to regularly, so make it clean and easy to navigate. Once your page is ready, start by writing down your main goals. These should be the bigger outcomes you want to achieve during the year, quarter, or month. Try to be specific enough that each goal feels meaningful and measurable. Instead of writing something vague, make sure each goal clearly represents something you'll be able to track over time. This gives your planning more direction and helps you stay motivated. After that, break each goal into smaller tasks or milestones. This is an important step because big goals can feel overwhelming when they're not divided into manageable pieces. By turning each goal into smaller actions, you create a clear path forward. Milestones also help you recognize progress along the way, which can make the entire process feel more achievable and less stressful. Next, add dates for each goal so you know when it should be completed. Deadlines create structure and help you prioritize your time. You can also add dates to major tasks or milestones if that helps you stay on schedule. The purpose here is not to create pressure, but to give yourself a realistic timeline that supports consistency and accountability. Once your goals and dates are in place, create a progress tracker for each goal. This can be simple, but it should allow you to see how far along you are at a glance. And a progress tracker is useful because it turns your goals into something visual and measurable. It also helps you quickly identify what's moving forward and what may need more attention. From there, make it a habit to review your goals regularly. A goal page only works if you come back to it consistently. Regular reviews help you stay connected to your priorities and prevent important goals from getting lost in day-to-day tasks. You can use these check-ins to remind yourself what matters most and where your effort should go next. Finally, update your progress and adjust your plan when needed. Sometimes priorities change, timelines shift, or certain tasks take longer than expected. That's completely normal. The goal is to keep your system flexible and useful, not perfect. By updating your page as you go, you'll create a goal setting process that stays relevant, practical, and motivating over time.